Hi everybody, it's Marcus. Happy Friday Talk, end of October 2017. I hope you're doing really good. I'm doing good. Today I want to talk to you about the reset button. I'd like you, yes, you, to find your reset button, which means find your center where you're in balance. It can lead to you saving a job, a relationship, to a loved one, to a family member, to your kids, to your parents. Find your reset button so you can get a reprieve, where you can get peace and quiet. And for me, that button became meditation. And I hope maybe you can find that too. To sit down in stillness and to connect on the inside. For me, that became a big old deal, a whole thing. And I hope that could become a big deal for you as well. So this is this week's and this weekend's thought. Find your reset button. Lots of love, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.